So let's start the class. So in the last class, we have finished how current is dividing in parallel combination, right? Now in today's class, we will see mixed one, that is series and parallel, and how they are asking to find potential as well as current. Okay, so let's start. So see, I'm starting from example directly. First I will solve, next you can do it yourself. See now, question is what? Find current through 6 ohm and potential drop across 3 ohm. Okay, but what we have to do? Listen carefully. So we have to find first potential across this 3 ohm and current across this 6 ohm resistor. So let's start. So concentrate. If you have not attended single class also, not an issue, you will understand from here. So just listen properly. Okay, so see now how I am solving. So first I will do, that is I will find out first the total resistance of this circuit, means particularly this part I will find out, so that I will get some potential. Now see, in this problem, current is coming from here. Yes, this is a current I, and at this point it is getting divided. This one current is going like this straight, and another current is coming like this through this 6 ohm resistor, and then again this coming out through this 3 ohm resistor, that is I. So first, if you have observed, you see this branch is series, hai na? This combination is in series combination because same current is flowing through this. So 2 ohm and 2 ohm are in series. Therefore, RS is equal to 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4 ohm. Okay, right. Understood this 2 plus 2, 4 ohm. Now I am redrawing the diagram again. So this 2 plus 2 we got 4. So I am connecting this 4 ohm at this place. And down we are having 6 ohm as it is. Okay. And this side you are having 3 ohm resistor. Okay. Yes, no? So this is 6 ohm as it is. Now, again you see this branch is parallel है ना, or this one is in parallel combination, this 4 ohm and 6 ohm. So again I am replacing with calculating or by calculating the net resistance. So here I am using 1 by Rp formula because these two are in parallel combination. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. So how much you are getting? 6 plus 4 divided by 24. सही है ना? Yes or no? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
2.4 sir, RP.
हाँ. So this Rp I am taking reciprocal. So this is nothing but 10 by 24. And therefore Rp is 24 by 10 reciprocal. So you are getting 2.4 ohm. Yes, clear hai? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now again I am redrawing. So what I am getting, see, now tell me what I will get here. 2.4 ohm, है ना? And here it is what? 3 ohm. And this is what? Potential supplied. So let's take here some supply potential because I'm taking 9.6 volt. How much I am taking supplied potential? 9.6. So here also 9.6 only. Just keep it in mind. This we should give, otherwise we can't calculate. So 9.6 volt. Okay. Now across this 2.4 you are getting V1 and across this you are getting V2. ठीक है? So now listen carefully. First I should calculate current, otherwise I cannot calculate V1 and V2. For that, now total resistance RT of the circuit is equal to 2.4 plus 3, which is equal to how much? 5.4.
5.4, sir.
And supplied potential is given. How much that is? 9.6 volt. So total current through the circuit is what we are getting? V by RT. So V is 9.6 and this is 5.4. So how much you are getting? Tell me.
15, sir.
This one, how much? 9.6 by 5.4.
15.
15, huh?
Sir, 16 divided by 9.
It is coming 1.77, है ना?
Yes, sir. 1.7.
Yes, sir, 1.7.
So 1.77 we will keep in ampere. ठीक है? Okay, we got current. Now Phi1. Phi1 is equal to I into R1. So this is 1.77 into 2.4. And V2 means I into R2. This is equal to 1.77 into 3. Tell me now how much this is. Yes.
5.1 volt.
4.2.
1.77 into 2.4, how much?
4.28.
4.248 है ना? Or just
Yes.
4.24 will write. This is volt. And this one is how much?
5.31, sir.
5.31, sir.
Okay, 5.31. Right. Okay. So this is how much? See here little bit less value is coming. Why? Because 1.777 is there now. So If you will take 1.7 at nearly, you will get. That is not an issue. Okay. So let's move ahead. So now you got one question answer, that is potential drop across 3 ohm. Yes or no? Potential drop across 3 ohm is how much? 5.31 volt. So ये ना ये आ गया ना? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we got this right. Now what to do next? Now we have to find current across 6 ohm, right? Half question finished. Everyone understand till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
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 Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now see, we want to find current across 6 ohm resistor. So I will choose this diagram now on the next page so that I can find out current across this 6 ohm and how to find. Let's see ahead. So now I am drawing this redrawn diagram. This is 4 ohm and here it is 6 ohm. Okay. And here it is 3 ohm. Yes, no? And now down is 9.6 volt. Now can I write here as this is a V1 across this? Yes or no? And this is V2 across this 3 ohm. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because see,
Yes, sir.
this 4 and 6 we have find out resultant and we wrote 2.4 across 2.4. How much potential drop? That is same across these two, no? Yes or no? Understanding?
Sir,
Yes,
once
sir.
can you repeat?
Yes. See, these actually this was the circuit. So these two was in series. So 2 plus 2, 4 we wrote here. And this is 6. Again, just we found out the resultant resistance and we got 2.4. And across this branch or across this 2.4 ohm resistance, we got V1. Same potential drop we will get across this, no? Because this is only the resultant, na? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's why whatever this V1 is there, I will get across this. And that's why I don't want this power supply because I am having V1 now. And I am having V1, right? So what I will do, I will redraw this because I want to find only current across this 6 ohm resistor. So I am doing like this. This is 4 ohm and down it is 6 ohm. And just I will keep this V1 as a power supply. But I will keep V1 as a power supply. What is V1 value we got? Can you tell me? 4 point.
4.24.
And let us suppose now this is your I1 and let us suppose this is your I2. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, anyone please? Anyone is having doubt? Okay. Now we know I1 is equal to what a formula? I1 is equal to V by R1 and I2 is equal to what? V by
V by R2.
R2. So I1 is what? Bolo bolo.
4
4.24
by 4.24.
divided by 4. Right? And I2 is equal to 4.24 divided by 6. So tell me now what is I1 value we will get? 0.7066 ampere. Okay, we'll check. I1 is how much? Tell me.
One point zero six.
1.06.
1.06, sir.
1.06. Okay, so I1 we got 1.06 ampere, and I2 is how much?
0.706.
Yes, 0.7066. Yes, Harshvardhan, your answer is right. Yes, right. Venkat Shanmukh, yes, right. So this is what your I2, and now final answer is what? C. Therefore, current through 6 ohm resistor is how much? 0.7066 ampere, and potential drop across which resistor? 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 3 ohm. So potential drop across 3 ohm is how much? कितना है? 5 point?
5.31.
Yes.
5.31.
Potential drop across 3 ohm resistor is 5.31 volt. You see here, this addition, if you will do 1.06 and 0.7066, you will get total current, that is 1.77 ampere. So which is right? Understand? Any doubt? Understood how to solve?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Do you want previous page? Yes. Finished, everyone? Yes.
Yes,
I1
sir.
and I2 we
Yes,
need
sir.
to do Gayatri. Yes, because if we will add, just it is for tally. Okay, it is just for tally. If you will add this I1 and I2, which we got here, you should get total current, whatever the flowing through the circuit. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everyone wrote no, this part and this part also.
Yes, sir.
Clearly
Yes, sir.
understood? Clearly understood everything?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Write slowly and neat. Okay. Stepwise you write. No hurry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Right. So let's move ahead. Now next one. Next example. एक काम करो, यहाँ पे 4 ओहम ले लो, just take it here 4 ohm. And now what you have to find? Potential drop across 4 ohm resistor and current through 6 ohm resistance is. Okay, shall I solve or you will try?
We'll try, sir.
Okay, मैं भी एक सॉल्व करके देखता हूँ. ये देखो आप लोग, जिसको आता है वो स्टार्ट करो. So see, first what I am doing, those who have joined now, one more I am solving. Let's see how those who are getting, you can try yourself. Those who join late or those who are having still doubt, no problem, just listen carefully. Now see here, what I am doing, these two branches are in parallel, hai na? So direct same resistance is connected in parallel. So either you use 1 by Rp or direct formula, Rp is equal to R by N. So you are getting here Rp is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. 1 by Rp also, if you will use same, you will get 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 2 by 4. Okay, and again it is 4 by 2, so you will get 2 ohm only. Here in this side also, or at this side also, Rp is equal to R by N. So again this is 6 by 2, so this is equal to 3 ohm. Okay. So Srinidhi, Priya send answer 4 volt and 1 ampere. Let's check it. Okay, Srinidhi, we will check it now. Right. Now what I am doing, I am redrawing the circuit. So this is 2 ohm and here I am getting 3 ohm. So this is what the battery, okay, this is positive and negative, and this is 10 volt. Now across this, whatever potential drop is there, that is your V1, and across this, whatever potential drop is there, that is V2. Definitely this V2 means what? Across this 6 and 6 means both resistor, whatever it is, same potential you will get. And here V1 means across this 4 and 4, same only. So let's start finding potential drop. So for that we need to find current. First we need to find current through this circuit. So total circuit resistance now is 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5 ohm, and total supplied voltage is nothing but 10 volt. So circuit current I is equal to V by RT, and this is nothing but 10 by 5, which is equal to 2 ampere. Okay, current we got, right. Now I want to find V1. So V1 is equal to I into R1. So I is 2, R1 is 2. So this is equal to 4 volt. And V2 is equal to I into R2. So this is how much? I is 2.
2 into
2 into
2 into 3.
2 into 3.
So this
3,
is
sir.
6
6
volt.
volt.
Okay. V1 we got, V2 we got. Now what we have to find current through 6. Now obviously as we got this V1, definitely across this 4 ohm whatever the potential is there, this is nothing but V1 है ना, because we have just
Yes,
find
sir.
out this,
Yes,
and
sir.
that's why in
Yes, sir.
parallel combination you will get 6 or 4 you will get है ना, here it is 4 volt, right, here it is 4 volt, and across this whatever we got V2, this is nothing but V2, yes or no, V2 value, so this is
Sir.
6 volt.
Yes, sir.
So across this 3 ohm we are getting 6 volt, and across this 2 ohm we are getting 2 volt. Across this 2 ohm means 4 parallel, across this 3 means 6 parallel. Okay, right. Now what he is asking again, he is asking current through 6 ohm resistor. Now see, as I said you what to do, now just to draw these two resistors, that is 6 ohm and this one is 6 ohm, and battery potential how much will take now, V2 how much, 6 volt,
Volts.
so that it is easy to calculate the current, right? Now this is parallel, so obviously you are getting the same current as the resistors are same, so can I write directly like this, suppose this is I1 and this is I2, so I1 is equal to V by R1, can I write, so this is 6 by 6, so 1 ampere, and I2 is equal to V by R2, which is equal to again 6 by 6. So this is what, 1 ampere. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you see now, this is 1 ampere and this is 1 ampere. So 1 plus 1, if you will calculate, you will get 2 ampere again. है ना? Total current. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So whatever
Yes,
the
sir.
answer you send me, that is right only. Srivatsa, then Harshvardhan, Srinidhi, yes. Your answer is right. Yes. So what I will write, Ray? Tell me last sentence. Current across 6 ohm resistor कितना होगा? Therefore, current across 6 ohm resistor is, बोलो,
1 ampere.
1
1
ampere.
ampere.
And potential drop across 4 ohm resistor,
4 volts.
So,
yes,
4.
4.
4 volt. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Understood now clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I give 2 examples for homework? Only 2?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Homework. 2 ही example. This is Vakati number 1. Then this is second. Let us see who will solve. One show previous page. Okay, take this. Okay. So let's move. And 9 ohm. This is also 9 ohm. This is also 9 ohm. And this is 6 ohm. And this is 9 volt. तो आपको फाइंड क्या करना है, देखो इस प्रॉब्लम में पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप across V1, no, across 6 ohm, not V1, across 6 ohm, and current through 9 ohm resistance. Okay. And second example, three ohm. This is 2 ohm. This is 1 ohm. And again, this is नहीं नहीं एक मिनट रुको, एक मिनट. And this is 4 ohm. Okay, this is 10 volt, and you just find current through 2 ohm resistor. ठीक है, just what you
Yes,
have to do, you have to find the current through 2 ohm resistor. Slowly you do whatever the previous solved examples are there, go through it once slowly, don't be hurry. Okay, accurately you solve. Try to solve yourself 1 2 times, 2 3 times. If you are not getting, you just go on trying. Okay, and keep it in mind, this branch is in series, 2 plus 2 in series and then in parallel, so you will get 2 ohm only here, total resistance. 2 plus 2 4, 4 is in parallel with 4. Okay, you know this, you can do it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try to solve this yourself. Okay, any other doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so shall we stop here for today?
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Thank
Srivatsa, we will check
Thank
your
you,
answer
sir.
later. Yes, you can send me.